Hi, welcome to the lesson Conditional Statements. In this lesson, we'll learn how to run or not run certain lines of the code depending on certain conditions. The syntax is if and then condition and followed by curly braces. Okay, this part of the code will be run only if the condition is true. Okay, what do we mean by this? For example, consider a scenario where a teacher has taken an exam and different students have scored different in the exam, and there is a certain pass score. For example, this variable score captures a student's score. For example, one student has scored 58 runs and the pass score is 60. Okay, a student is declared pass only if his score is above this threshold 60. Okay, and a program can handle this situation like this: if score is greater than equal to pass score, then it will print you have passed. Okay, if this condition is true, then only it will print you have passed. For this particular student, the score is 58 and 58 is not greater than or equal to 60, the pass score, so it will not print you have passed. Okay, so the program will run and not print anything. Okay, you see there is nothing printed here. Okay, but if his score was 62 above the pass score and this condition becomes true, then this will print inside. Okay, so see, it has printed. So the thing is that this conditional statement, if this is true, then it will go inside the curly statements, and if it is false, it will not go inside the curly statement. That is the conditional statements for you. Notice that in the first case, 50, when it was 58, the program didn't go into the if and there was nothing printed. But if you want to convey the other part as well, that you have failed, then you can write it here else. The else part will be printed only if this one is false, then this will be printed. Okay, printed only if a condition false. Okay, that is if else. Okay, there is another scenario where let's say there are 3 or more than 3 conditions. For example, if there is distinction, imagine there is distinction above 80 score. Okay, and there could be the control flow could look like this: if score is greater than equal to distinction, then print distinction. Okay, and else if score is greater than equal to 60, print pass. Okay, and else if it is not distinction, not pass, just print fail. Okay, the program will start from here and see if this condition is true. Score is greater than equal to distinction. This is false because distinction is 80 and score is 58. So this one is false. It will not go inside the curly braces. It will go into the next else if score is greater than equal to 80, greater than equal to 60. It is again false. Okay, so it will go to the else statement and say print. It will print fail. Okay, so you can have if, else if, and else chain of commands, and it will start from here and go down here.